So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant here. So it's been a while since I made a YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the review of the JBL C100 SI after using it for more than 3 months. Also all the appropriate buy links will be down in the description so you guys can buy it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let's start the review with the build quality of the earphone. So the earphone is made up of plastic and the wire is made up of rubber. It has 3 colors, black, white and red. It also has a mic to take calls and a button for various functions like play, pause or to skip tracks. Also holding that button wakes up the Google Assistant. Also it has this thing for adjusting cable length. Also it has a gold plated headphone jack which is not angular, so in my opinion the build quality is average, nothing special. Now let's talk about the real deal, the sound quality. Now the sound quality of the earphone is really good. It is bass heavy, also it has a good amount of highs and mid, so the overall sound quality is balanced, which a lot of people will like. It has typical JBL sound which is very rich. It also provides a good amount of isolation in the ear. The earbuds are very ergonomic and you can wear it for longer period of time without any discomfort. So overall for the price, it is one of the best budget earphone you can buy. Also all the best buy link will be down in the description. So yeah guys, this was the quick review of the JBL C100i. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.